Hey there guys, this video you're about to watch for the unboxing of the Sony vlogging camera ZV-E10 was originally recorded on 7th of August 2022. I thought I'd add this in front of it though to show you the difference between the two cameras. As you can see, the Sony ZV-E10 is a 4K camera, mirrorless, and it does the kind of the auto zoom thing. And the video you'll be watching was recorded originally with the camera on your right, which is the Facecam from Elgato. It looks a lot like this, in fact, as you can see. So bear that in mind when you're watching this video, that you'll be watching the video from the perspective of the previous camera I was using, rather than this one here, which you'll be able to buy via the link should you want to also up your quality, as I hopefully have done here. Okay. I'm back with another unboxing, this time for the content creation side of things. We're going to be checking out the Sony ZV-E10. I got it right? Yes, I got it right this time. And this is a 4K mirrorless camera. It's going to allow us to have some nice looking, higher quality thumbnails and video, soft backgrounds, all that stuff you're probably used to seeing on a lot of the other channels and stuff. So we're going to check that out, unbox it for you guys, see what's in there, see how it looks, do a bunch of videos you guys can check out if you are thinking about doing content creation or maybe just for personal reasons. And if you do end up getting one of these, don't forget to use our Amazon affiliate links, which are free to use, cost you no extra, and helps the channel out. I think that's everything. Let's unbox. First of all, let's take a look at the box. It's a very active box, one of the better ones that we've seen. For stuff at this price range, I guess you want to have stuff to look at and stuff to read, and it's certainly got that on the outlay of the box. Okay, let's go in. We'll just take off the folder here. And I'm still going to need some scissors or something, because no way I'm going to be able to cut that seal with these gloves. Yeah, quite a few items in the box. This is the camera kit version, which means it comes with a lens. So then you pause and get something to cut it with, and done. All right, let's continue. It's an easy. Here we go. We're presented with a 1-year extended warranty hype. Lovely. I didn't need it with these ones. Hopefully not though. Perfect. European information guarantee thing. Yeah. Reference guide. And then it's upselling us on some accessories. And maybe just the manual, the help guide. Loads of documents and manuals and stuff. And then we have here, fold out. Now we get to the good stuff. Power plug of some kind. We have a windscreen protector thingy with a built-in mic. You can see that stuff. That's for Americana. Power plug thing. The American one. To go with the European one here. Is this? Not sure what this is. But the power plug goes in there. And there's like a USB input thing here. USB input. USB to USB-C cable here. A strap. Nice. For the camera. So you can carry it all strapped up, represent the Sony-ness. Almost matches one in T here. Which you can get at the integer.tv/merch. Take care to partake. It's another one of these sort of block things. So this is. I think that's the battery. Yeah, info lithium. That's the battery. And now, the main pièce de résistance, the lens, and most importantly, the camera. It's quite heavy. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Let's not drop it. That's where our strap will go, I would presume. It's the screen which flips out. Now, apparently the screen is difficult to use if you're using the power points. I'm not sure. I think the power inputs go here. So that's kind of a little bit of a downer. Yeah. Because you get cables to solve that issue. But the inputs there, so that obviously you got that out and have cables hanging out. You can still see though what's going on in your recording and stuff. There you go. Little lens cover. It's my first mirrorless. I don't have to learn how to use all of this. It's a lovely looking thing though. And that's the contents of the Sony ZV-E10 zoom lens kit camera, 4K mirrorless. Pick either one of the videos on the screen. One will be selected by YouTube, which is the algorithm picking what you'd like best. Another one will be something related to the Sony ZV-E10 as well. So they'll both be related. It's a big one. Lovely camera. So hope it ends up making the content even better. Cheers guys.